Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to create a beautiful room decor piece for you. It's going to be mirrored and yeah, so I'm going to get started right now because I'm already in the process of starting. So I'm going to be using, this is a 10-inch real glass mirror. I've been using faux mirrors the last few videos. So today I'm going to be using this round real glass mirror. It's about 10 inches round. And I'm going to be using this old piece of foam board that I had. I actually found this and it's nice and thick. And so what I'm going to do is double layer this for our project. I'm going to trace a circle in 2 places and then I'm going to cut it out. Guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please take the opportunity to subscribe to the channel. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video because it really helps and it lets YouTube algorithm know that you really like my videos. Okay, so now that we have them cut out, what I'm going to do is take a little bit of my Aleene's clear gel tacky glue. Well, not a little bit. I'm going to use enough just to glue these 2 pieces together. So it's been a few minutes and they're still drying, but what I'm going to do now is use my sanding block and I'm going to smooth out the outer perimeter, make the edges nice and smooth. Now that that's done, I'm going to use some more of my clear gel tacky glue, place it on one side of our base, spread that glue out really well, and to apply the mirror on top. I'm just going to let that sit for about 2 hours. I'm going to move on to the trim. I'm going to be using some diamond wrap and I'm going to apply that with some hot glue around the outer perimeter. So now I'm going to use my silver contact paper. This is silver embossed contact paper. And I've already cut out the circular shape that's going to fit the mirror. I used my base as a template and I just traced a circle around it and then I cut it out. So, but this is the paper I'm going to be using, guys. This is so nice. I love this silver embossed contact paper. This is my favorite contact paper to use while crafting. So So before I move on, I wanted to show you these beautiful laser cut dried flowers. I picked this up from a craft store a few years ago in Virginia. These are so nice, guys. They say dried flowers on the package, but they're not really dried flowers. They just kind of look like they're dried flowers. This is made out of very thin laser cut plastic. And yeah, I'm going to use these today to decorate the mirror. So right here, I'm just going to put this little tray underneath the mirror just to lift the mirror so that I don't cause a lot of glare. Next, I'm going to clean off that mirror just a little bit with some alcohol. And now I'm going to just trim down these beautiful flowers just a little bit. These flowers are roses. I don't know if I said that earlier, but yeah, these are roses. And I'm just going to cut off a little bit of that greenery because I don't need all of it. And yeah, so I'm going to do that to all 3 pieces, and then I'm going to come back in, peel off the top layer and apply it to the mirror. So I'm going to lay them down very, very carefully, making sure there are no air bubbles or air pockets underneath. And then I'm going to use my silicone brush just to press them into place, making sure that the whole flower is adhered to the mirror. So now that that's done, guys, I love the way this looks so far. This is really, really cute. So I'm going to be using this beautiful acrylic trim. I'm going to apply that to the outer perimeter of the mirror, and I'm going to lay part of that over our trim, the part of the trim that's near the edge of the mirror. I'm going to cover that as well. So finally, I'm going to be using 3 doorknobs. These are little tiny door pulls, cabinet pulls. They're really small. I got this from Etsy, I believe, and I'm going to use 3 of them. I'm going to use them as legs or feet for the mirror. So these are self-adhesive. All I have to do is peel off the backing and attach them to the mirror. And guys, that's it for our beautiful mirror. This came out so beautiful. I love the way it looks. I'm using it here as a perfume display. You can also use it as a candle display if you like. I love the way it turned out. Very quick and very easy. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. And you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.